How to fix CapCut not working. If you are having problem with your CapCut app but it's not working properly, then here's how to fix it. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device. Now in CapCut, you will land to an interface like this. At the top right corner, tap on the hexagon icon. This is the settings icon. Now the settings interface will get opened. Scroll down and you should see an option called Clear Cache. And on the right section, you should see the amount of cache that you have. Right now I have 1.5 GB. Tap on Clear Cache and click Confirm to clear your cache. Additionally, also open Settings and go to the option General. Inside General, you need to scroll down, select the option iPhone Storage and search for the option CapCut. When CapCut opens, then click on it and select Offload App. By this process also, you can clear the cache of CapCut. After clearing the cache, give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.